For nearly 50 years, Canon has answered the needs of professional photographers at the highest levels. Now, in 2020, Canon launches its most advanced digital SLR ever, the EOS 1DX Mark III, targeting photographers who concentrate on still image creation, along with the most cutting-edge video features to date in an EOS SLR. The Canon EOS 1DX Mark III may look similar to its predecessor, but nearly every system and component in the Mark III is completely re-engineered. It's a totally new camera. The 20.1 million pixel CMOS sensor highlights a completely new imaging system. The sensor is brand new, engineered for low noise, great sensitivity, and outstanding speed. All aspects of image quality are elevated in this camera, with a powerful new Digi-X processor, a completely new type of low-pass filter, and innovative sharpness processing. Shooting through the viewfinder, there's a completely new 191-point AF system, and two touch-sensitive smart controllers to select AF point locations. The AF sensor is a totally new concept, using far more pixels than previous line-type AF sensors. Choosing broad AF areas opens the door to completely new AF tracking technologies, including face detection and head detection, a great alternative when subjects may move around the frame. Shoot up to 16 frames per second with AI Servo AF for each frame. Or with Live View, get up to 20 frames per second with your choice of mechanical or electronic shutter operation. Dual pixel CMOS AF in Live View covers nearly the entire picture area with most lenses, and it delivers Servo AF even at up to 20 frames per second. Burst rates at these speeds are nothing short of incredible. Shoot over 1,000 raw images using high-speed CF Express memory cards. Video features are extensive, including 4K at up to 60 frames per second and 10-bit 422 with Canon log from the whole width of the imaging sensor. 5.5K raw recording to the CF Express card, and high frame rate 120p at Full HD are also possible. Supremely solid and weather resistant, the entire Mark III camera is durability tested to 500,000 exposures. And for working professionals, extensive network and Wi-Fi connectivity, along with GPS, are possible. We have a series of detailed videos on the EOS 1DX Mark III's still and video features. For Canon USA, I'm Rudy Winston. Thanks for being with us.